Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Danfi Audio DF record player and preparing the deck. First, make sure the battery is charged or the DC adapter is connected. The power LED will confirm. Next, mount the cartridge or plug the line-in cable, then balance the head shell and set the tracking weight so the stylus sits flat in the groove. Once done, place the rubber mat and a record on the platter, then select the correct speed, 33.1/3 or 45 RPM, before lowering the tone arm. Now you route audio and prepare to record. Decide whether you'll use the onboard phono preamp, line out to an external recorder, or USB to capture digital audio. Each path changes gain staging and noise floor. Connect the appropriate cable, then set input gain so meters peak well below clipping. Test with a quiet section of the record. Once levels look good, enable record mode on the DF or the attached device and monitor through headphones. Make small gain tweaks during playback to avoid distortion. Finish the session by stopping playback at the desired endpoint and stopping the recording. You should save a lossless file format like WAV or FLAC at 16-bit/44. 1K HZ for archival quality, then normalize and trim silences as needed. Afterward, clean the stylus, replace the dust cover, and power down. If you encounter noise, hum, or distortion, check the ground connection, swap cables to rule out shielding issues, and revisit input gain. Grounding and correct gain staging fix most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.